This, my friend, is just to show you. No game capture, no windows, just one screen. Audio capture, output, audio capture input, and screen capture. And I'm working just with one screen, just to show you. You don't have to believe just my words. If you want to be gamer, let's talk with Kate.
Hey.
Sure, sure. Just keep your shirt on.
Let's
Hey
talk
there.
Can I help?
relationship.
How do you think things are between us?
We're doing pretty good, I'd say. And in this shite hole we call a world, that's really saying something.
Never mind.
Didn't have anything else.
Sure.
And this is just to show you something else. Just working in Adobe. So you can record your game screen, you can record your app screen. I mean, it works how I have explained it to you. So please believe me. Ciao and see you in the next video.